In this video, we will look at the introductory problem to Chapter 5, Section 1. And the problem says that your soccer team wants to buy t-shirts. You call two different companies about prices. Each company charges a setup fee to create the team logo and then a price for each t-shirt ordered. If the total cost happens to be the same for each company, how many t-shirts is the team buying? So some people were able to see that company A, uh, the logo setup fee is $30, which is a one-time fee. And then the price per t-shirt is $10. And so that would turn out to be either y equals 30 plus 10x or y equals 10x plus 30. For company B, the setup fee was $90 with a $5 per t-shirt price. So this could be solved algebraically. We'll go ahead and do that first. And that would be just by setting the two equations equal to each other, because we're trying to find out what is the cost when, how many t-shirts is the team buying when the cost is the same. We want to find out what x is when both are equal to each other. So we can start off with 30 plus 10x is equal to 90 plus 5x. Subtract 5x on each side. And we end up with 30 plus 5x is equal to 90. Subtracting 30 gives me 5x is equal to 60. Divide by 5, and we get x is equal to 12. Now when I plug in x equals 12 into either equation, I get y is equal to 30 plus 10 times 12, and that would be 150. Y equals 90 plus 5 times 12, and that would be 90 plus 60, which is also 150. What that says is that when the cost is the same, the cost will be $150, and they will buy 12 t-shirts. Now let's go ahead and graph these two here. Alright, so we have our two equations, again, which are y is equal to, and we'll put this one in red, y is equal to 30 plus 10x, and in green we'll have y is equal to 90 plus 5x. Alright, when y is 30 plus 10x, that means we're starting when x is 0 at a y-intercept of 30, and then we're going up by 10. But you should notice here that each block here, the scale on the y-axis is by 10, so actually going up by 10 means just going up one block, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And then we can, we'll continue up for a ways, and we'll do the green line second. Alright, so this is what the red line would look like. The green line says that it starts at 90, and so starting at 90 would be here. Now it goes up by 5 each time, so we could have it go into the middle when x is 1, but it might be easier to see that we're going to go up 1 only when we go over by 2. So we're going to go up by 1 when we go over by 2, and then that is going to, we can see we're going to have an intersection of the two lines at exactly x is 12 and y is 150, right? So that would be the price, x equals 12, y equals 150. And so we've solved it algebraically, and we've also solved it using graphs. Now we could solve this using a table of values as well. See if we have enough. Company A would be here. Company B would be there. Remember that Company A starts at $30 and goes up by 10. So we would be 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and actually if I were to, and probably should include one more column here, for X, for the number of t-shirts, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 would be 90, 7 would be 100, 8 would be 110, 9 would be 120, 10 would be 130, 11 would be 140, and 12 would be 150. B starts at 0 at $90 for 0, 95, 100, 105, 100, sorry, and 10, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 40, 45, and finally they are equal. When X is 12, they are both $150. So that is this problem, which we have solved using 3 different methods: graphs, equations, tables of values. And we'll go on in the next video to look at some of the problems in this section.